Hey friends, this is Sejal and welcome to my channel. Smoothie bowls are quite popular in summer days. A smoothie is a semi-liquid and served in tall glasses and sipped through a straw, whereas a smoothie bowl tends to be a bit thicker in consistency and eaten with spoon. Because of their thick texture, smoothie bowls are designed for toppings as their dense consistency holds up well. It looks and tastes more like ice cream and keep you full throughout the day. Tropical mango pineapple smoothie bowl is the perfect summer bowl. It's cold, delicious, creamy and fun to eat. This recipe is friendly for vegan, raw, paleo and gluten-free diets and also helps in weight loss. To make it, take 1 cup of each of banana, peeled and diced mangoes and pineapple and freeze them in freezer. Take half cup of coconut milk and half cup of coconut water. Combine all the ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth. If you do not have high-powered blender like Vitamix, it will take some time. I'm using this low-powered and it works well. Just be patient when you blend and stop and stir as needed. The mixture will be very thick. Pour it into bowl and arrange the toppings on top. I'm using shredded coconut, diced mango and pineapple pieces for toppings. But you can also use nuts of your choice, chia seeds, flax seeds or sesame seeds for toppings. And then serve immediately. Enjoy! Hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a wonderful day ahead friends. Take care and bye-bye.